Throughout the school day, I use Microsoft Lync to communicate with other teachers in my department via instant messaging and video conferencing. My presence status alerts them to my availability. In the classroom, my students and I use Lync to enhance our classroom experience by connecting with a fellow teacher who is working remotely from Africa, and by using features like question and answer and polls to make our class time run more smoothly. When I log into Lync each morning, my presence status changes immediately to green, letting my contacts know I am available. I change my location to at school so that they know I am in the building. In addition to my favorite contacts, or those with whom I most frequently communicate, I also have custom contact groups for students and teachers in my department. I've just received a request from the school principal to attend a last-minute meeting about an important all-school assembly that will take place today. Because Lync is available as a client on smartphones, even those teachers who are still on their way into work will be able to join our meeting. The principal also shared a document she wants us to review with students prior to the assembly. I download the document and save it to OneDrive so that I can share it with my students. After the call ends, I change my presence status to busy so that I can work on my lesson plan without interruptions. I also let my fellow teachers know what I am working on so that they can share ideas with me. Presence statuses are reflected in Outlook too, so no matter how people connect with me through Lync, they will know I'm busy. When my class arrives, we conference with the teacher from the department who is abroad in Africa. We also conference in several other classrooms in our region who want to benefit from our teachers' experiences abroad. We'll record the call for our classroom archives. During the conversation, our teacher in Africa discusses some of the natural selection she is seeing in action in her field studies. She opens a whiteboard that we can all view and share. And students send her questions without disrupting her presentation. To clarify a few points and jot some notes down for the students, several of the other teachers contribute content as well. After she is done with her presentation, we launch a question and answer session to answer any final student questions. Through the question and answer feature, all classes included in the call can read both the questions and the answers. Before the call ends, all of the classes discuss when to meet for a Lync review session. We use the poll feature to agree on a time that will work best for the students. I use Lync to stay connected with my fellow teachers and keep a pulse on the events in school throughout the day. We communicate about lessons, specific students and their needs, and administrative issues. Then in the classroom, we use Lync to make the world our classroom. We connect to those far away to meet and learn together.